Hakuna Matata, my country people are thrown a big salute for today. If you call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. But you know, say, I always come for bring una legalize Congo so and for make una not to happen for inside this country. We take una go to for Bamenda, who come and only see all to not turn on fire. So we take una to go to for that side for Dibuncha. New style for catch fish control. Fish don't cheap for Dibuncha. Wait to make I cheap. Some people inside the field, so the fish died, and I wait to we'll take una to go that side for talk about how the thing takes to happen. Then even for talk about Oga then we delegate them for transport for inside this country for 5 chapter for fake driving license and even plenty accidents happen for inside road. The whole big government for Douala for talk for bring new system. Where they not go make full or fake driving license or fake category will come back and so we'll come back to check around that story for better way. Then after two we'll take una go to that side from Bamenugu and Bamekim. We wait to take side happen for this one a chapter for which we call and say chapter for that ferry way in the transport them from Bafia to Ngora. You don't do it to the ferry down for Jengwe senior division of that side. Come for look and no forget to for take una bring a inside Douala show na how Isaac can do pacha for Douala. I say, Isaac, can you do Pacha? You go for Douala 5, it is smell. Go for Douala 4, it is num. Go for, that is, Douala 2, Douala 3, countryman. They didn't talk again. But when you enter play like Bonanjo, Bonapri, so, that time you say so, Isaac can do Pacha, play when you say official, then they for us, a recruit every day. But the other quarter there. If you never know 1 week, if you never smell to tell show am. You don't go remember say so many pass can carry and so people. If you call me Michael, call me Congo Sama. As I come back, we go enter for that to proper. Now, human being like me and you, the take side which you press button for 17, the take side happen, but sometimes this machine decides this one. Me, I go command you by any idea. Thank God, so better technician for that side of the course, this so Roland alias Moonhead. Now, the take side manage until for 17 when I see my face way. It shines, so we'll take when I go to that side for St. Paul, for that side for Queen. We'll wait to happen this night again. Another school where ghost fire, it takes time, it happens because we require another ghost fire because no man don't know who said the fire come out. They take up on the administrative block tomorrow or for newscast for 4 p.m. We will show you the comeback with plenty images where they come for that side for arrange and for talk and they want to happen this night again after the one for Kumbu where they born and this time around they don't come back again for Bamenda. From Bamenda, from St. Paul, we don't know where now which which other school, whether not for Southwest or not for Northwest, will go host this ghost fire again. No ask me, oh boy. No ask me. My honor, I tell you when I tell the thing don't take time happen. So I want to see how the thing it happened for that side for Bamenda this night again. They born St. Paul school for that side. This school so when I listen mission school, they take side put fire for them for night. So put it on confusion now. Where this one government school they born now or na private school they born now or that wait till they take time happen. So people will talk about don't know which one again go host this ghost fire for that side. So people. We come over that side so for Bamenda so country people of 18 takes that happen. So even though we so come back again for Bamenda for Fundom, but we take una go for Dibuncha. Fish don't cheap for Dibuncha. Wait to make and before fish cheap, no ask me. I say new style for catch fish for Dibuncha. Now 2 people, 1 man there for, you know Dibuncha, now that place where plenty kitu, they be go die for inside that belly for the far away. He fall for that side, he capside, plenty one they die when I only move about 3 of them. So for that side, they be in a get you when they be inspect, tell me whether somebody can attack them for that side. Now when fishermen for that side, they don't develop new strategy. For catch fish. 1 man they underwater, then they get the rope, they so then they don't put out from that gun, they will never shoot up underwater. They take another take side. As you see how they do them, when they enter underwater, every time baby fish, as you shoot until twa, man wait there for all for canoe, do it, they drag the rope one time, drag after they move, come back, big fish for that, and they make and they get better fish. Fish don't cheap for the winter, so you get even a 1 fat. You get even a 2,000, you get 1,500, they go give you fish today. Eh? There is struggle now for one of the wettest place for Africa, so control that side for the bunch of the take una to koro see how the things take happen. They remove ton on fish. So this time now they go yip na net, so they need to go again. They say they need to come again out of Cameroon for go begin yip hook, begin catch one fish, two fish. Eh? They now for inside Cameroon land they catch fish, so they take side pass people for driving school, where they driving school on that she don't bring new strategy. Whether new strategy now for takes time make say fake driving license before you want get an arm, you go make so. Eh? Now we dey hold the BB government for explain and for make and make company understand how they go take side operate this system because this one and a computerized way means it is so if you write driving test for that type of bamenda, your name go be inside system. If your name not be inside system, you should so tired to produce driving license name, your own no go come out. Eh? So they don't make another one man the all that thing, so they show how the new what they call the new driving license it go to come how it go be where no man will fit go for back go make mago so they print them this very kind one move so yeah delegate for transport for littoral they struggle for explain for to report and make a no say so even man when he get fake driving school. Where driving school no get matriculation, he no get authorization for textile operate. Any man when you do for that driving school, no say as you go for that side, your driving license, you no go ever come on that. Only people they get authorization for teach people how to drive. Now them go to explore this new system. So, but anyway, they move talk with one of their technician. They come with this new technology. Make it tell we waiting on account to report and how a security be confirmed. It go work. It go there far. Oh boy, not with Tori.
The idea, okay, what pushed this reform was mainly the idea of bringing a serious added value to the driving license, Cameroonian driving license. And that serious added value comes with the tracking of every teaching and every person who is in contact with the Ministry of Transport, be it driving school or be it a trainee or whomsoever is involved far or near. Now the Ministry of Transport can trace back and go to the source and know exactly who did what. So if you did something which is wrong, we can get back to you. If you did something good, then we can also congratulate you. That's about it. And now, concerning this driving behind motivation, you know, the Cameroonian
Thank you, sir. It means that now so your driving license, it go even they connected with that new identity. Where again a SIM card so for instance, so they take steps for make and say at least me they make so reduce that fake of a fake document all that kumba. You know say kumba document never ever finish. But at least this one will take side make reduce more for better way. More come for that side take una go and back for full long way more than senior divisional officer for that side receive more than 1,000 mami they will papa they come for this project going go now for Cameroon with World Bank. They decide for join together and for do it for begin help poor people. Because they give at least 80,000 2 times to 1 year. Say this money na man way no one buy small fertilizer, na man way one go carry chop for bush, na way ogadio for that side takes time na use them for take control say so make all mommy and papa take time for send up again for school. Me all mommy and papa no getting where man way food and say so school e no fine. Say school na future for picking and so make the take time na to take command they do math passing. They match for the town. For so the time papa popol say for this small cap where you don't cap for can help them for that at least the one even at 10,000 it go help them say for buy even at one book for picking so one they more than people they come for that type on top where they come out it take the very money they get them pay transport again so come tank or got you say thank them for the better there will be more year from more year from one of the woman them way they received in cap me they tell we what did the money go do for them.
I want for that in Dohele would thank people when they follow up for that would try for put with the them for school Natiwa uditeng President Paul Biya me hele wui me school kamba in tabak. Udigra kodang tiwan di dua for we. Diteng that we big mawai di try for that.
I'm you could do it today.
I want put my begin there for school. Buy and tin them keep for us. Buy good keep pay so one they work my farm. Natiwa I don't do them for the money.
That I can add. The first is that we are preparing for schools to start on Monday. Today is a Thursday and we have a long weekend, and I think that parents have to use this opportunity to prepare their children to go back to school. Like the inspector said, as at now, we don't insist on uniforms, don't insist on payment of fees. The essential exercise books that they have to take to school. We are assuring them the measures have been taken. Measures were already been taken, even during the crisis, for schools to go normal. And for this academic year, schools have to start on Monday because meetings have been held at all sectoral level. The inspector held a meeting with the head teachers. I held a meeting with the village heads sometime to prepare to see how they can carry out community work to clean the school campuses, which have been overgrown since November. And I want to think that come Monday, schools have to go on. As far as the crisis are concerned, like it's just to reiterate, sanctions against those who were arrested and detained because of the Anglophone crisis. This is just an additional measure that has been taken, and I want to think that more measures have to be taken because the commission itself is sitting to re-examine what is lacking, what they have to add to cut the T's and bottom of the I's to ensure that the crises are put at bay.
National year chef struggle for Chakara Tori for country for that side. But we will go back here time where it start for motivate the population of things so make una go back for school. Oh guys, say me they do what here? Me don't know here talk for who? I know what yeah run. Press button make a here.
I want for
Rolando last press button cut and before so control time over can we show the come back for that one small time so control. We will take on this time around go to that side from Bam and Enugu and Bam came for that side. Population now they don't turn back the suffer again after we ferry it don't allow bare. What will happen? Press button will take on two Koroko as a population for that side now they go continue begin cross carry all kakuna automatically for come up from Bafia go for that side from Ngora. You must take ferry or you take canoe. Now the ferry that he don't do it here, he don't capture again. Population the West go na get them bridge, they don't wear bridge then they come. The ferry sometimes it is spoiled. Now he don't allow sing and sing. And Tango say he want sing so where people know the phone sir. Tango say one sing so where Ngongoro, you no carry no camion, you no carry plenty job. We wanna hear even chef tell for that side, run like liquid say make and take ice here. Then they write your small report. Send away Yaounde. Me Yaounde they say so people from Ngora and Bafia, they don't come in contact again and it make them 1 year for night so people don't sink. Canoe don't capsize because they don't carry overload. All come back kind thing where don't make an to people they get smoking that the way they take stand up for manager see how boys for that side they struggle for see how they go fit enter inside water for tie the ferry so that make it stand at least balance while they wait on city so whether budget go come for some they take start for arrange for better ways so bad fear people they cry now so stay this so men go na try do things and sharp for them then to me they enjoy like a Cameroonian. We so come over that side to control textile land back for Kribi for talk about this young man for about 30 years. We named na Michel for that side for inside Kribi too for that side where the textile happen they go discover in thy body yesterday for after for inside toilet where to kill him no man don't know where to take side so kill Michel for that side even control for that side gendarme they can't struggle for make investigation for talk so where to be textile happen where if friend don't come out they say they waiting for warehouse he don't come out they wait they come alert go see that under thy body where he don't sleep straight like a ruler solo in birth certificate. Now heart attack. Now what it takes happen. No ask me all money I in return gonna for his smoking. He turn gonna for woman where in make on a corner of black on either see Jana they ask you question. But who ask this young girl make it tell me. What did happen with Michelle? Young boy like he want so farm boy. Sometimes they call now what yellow city. Now they don't let's go. Tell me where to kill what? Mama? Yes, na master no. Tell me who here.
Igor for Totana. he turn back. He can't take, he first come, he can't take charger. He say, if you never charger, fine. He turn back. He go come again. He talk for me, say, you know, go machine. They don't say, you know, go machine again. Say, me leave machine. They don't get another people for go, and go say, the wait, me that boy come, can't take it for you. I say, okay. He talk for me, say, they go for toilet. I say, okay. Well, nobody carry the water them, so well, nobody even wash clothes. Now, that 8 o'clock to 9, so. I go now, they show me water for this side. Maybe one they show me, now the other one, that boy they show me water, say I go carry. Now I go carry water 3 times, I come back. I put this water, I wash up. Oh, I want pack now this thing then. Now so I say the time I go for that toilet. They say the record need the pass, the record need the pass, I get inside. Now so I will come now, so I go sit down with myself, I want to go to the toilet. He talks to me, I go now, go meet my way already sleep, go so die go. Because if the internet will say cover with zinc, after it cover so that's into 4 in 4. The zinc to cover your food. If you know the show. Now
Chapter for Isaac. Isaac don't turn the main pacha for carry doti. Isaac do all people so they suffer for chapter for the one they call and say palava doti. You go for big stadium, that is you can inside aqua. Aqua the smell na doti. If doti never flow today, he high so. You want go like Bepanda, Makepe, you see doti them flow for side for people that do, for people that from workplace them. And it be so sometimes about 3, 4, 5 days. I say it be so about 3, 4, 5 days before they ever can pass carry them. Go Ndokoti, go village, na doti all side, left and right, with doti all side. But people the one that say so. That is that can don't make na pacha for Israel country on waiting. But you take story, take style worker, okay, see like Bonanjo, you see him, Bonapriso, they clean them. Bonanjo, Bonapriso, they take style clean and clean. See aqua. See Douala for inside aqua. Doti the outside, but all man they take style and so this palaver for the way they manage Doti them for inside country, they even carry someone there. Go through and Bunamusa, they run, carry we bring with that, carry we go with the next video. So take we go to that video for Bunamusa, go for that side for Makepe them. You receive Doti there for side by side for corner road and go carry we go to the other video so we control take that 2 Koroko and so where they so authorities them. When I need for do something. See main street for inside aqua. Doti the floor today, then office the day for corner. You imagine man if you open the window for it receive natural air. Then the fourth floor for become consumed by their white man air. By force. When we get natural when go the wrong give it. For sikate doti the smell, doti the be and if you never knock so okay. They want to that thing Bonamusa. They was in a quarter for rich people. Then forget it so if the doti never flop today, cover few where picking they play for side left and right for corner road. Market them again no. They didn't talk to any for market for Douala. If doti never flop so high so well, we no go tire for talker. Because now they give people them sick. Now they make every day we for line, we turn for line for go take buy one medicine, for buy one medicine. And go to the big block because of plastic. And I never they sweet me, but they give you sick. Now they can't. So then go. Any idea con people? One I say, tell when I say when I take side work at the sea and so it vex you. Film I'm sending for WhatsApp. For the thing number Roland go take side put for under scheme. So by any before we do one Roland one take side put that one more take when I go to that side for Bunamusa for this Anglo-Saxon evening school for that side where they struggle for make sure so at least me papa, mommy, young boys them because they get adult school for that side for Bunamusa for back chop a yamu while I think Roland don't put number away they so when I feel call them for that side for back chop a yamu with that number so when I feel ring them and they get evening classes them from 4 to 6 o'clock. Man way one for that education if you can learn you at all kind branches them. You want to do now wood, you want to go there OA, all kind book camp for that side they go take social media orientate you or if you call their number so you where you work, you say this time we come up for office for 3 o'clock, you want to go for school or even the close to if you tell your guys so I want to go read out for my education or guys sign some more paper. You go learn book for that side, you write get your certificate for take and so fly enter below from dog for even papa and mommy where they know sabi for read, you go for Anglo-Saxon evening school for back chop a yamu for Bonamusa they go take side with you. Teach you how to read and write. Teach you how if you take science book. Teach you how if you write your name. Teach you give small basic knowledge if you take and so manage your own life for better way. So for cities so many not take time become full every day contribute on 18 happen for inside this country. Tomorrow another edition for contributing one also now the wait and plenty. Even President Jean Mangos, he go there for Chakara Natori. Sama, he say more day. Even Prophet Samuel for that time for Bunabere for Shiro TV say so he go come for say more struggle. Chakara to for discuss them una to say una go hold and tight. We una fit call to forgive una own contribution them tomorrow for better way from 10 to 11:30 for morning time. Before the broadcast, the one can so man we one chakara to wait for Bele tomorrow from 10 to 11:30. Prepare, find, just ring your tingly. You feel call that time. Give your own contribution. Talk to them for inside this country. Masaland, bring with the tingly number in way. So man fi call we time we something that happen for inside your quarter, your village. Or you one can join the people for some more chakara to for contributing to for better way for even chakara to for some your small business. Where you want struggle for saving population. Text and for inside the country. Call me for that number. Or if you feel on this side of that number, we will take say arrange for better way. Then show. I don't go.